Hi guys, and welcome to another video. As you can tell, I am filming on my phone because I'm going to make this vlog a day in my life and we need to sit down and have a chat. I'm gonna put you guys here. As you can tell, if you've not been watching my videos for ages because I haven't uploaded that frequently, I have chopped my hair off. I did it myself because I was bored of my hair, and also I couldn't be bothered to go to the hairdressers and book an appointment. But things have been happening in my life, good and bad, and yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. But today I want to take you guys along with me. Today is gonna be quite busy, so I need to film today's video. I mean, like, will be this week or next week's video, depends on if I want to upload this particular video. And I need to go out and run some errands, so I'm gonna go into town and do my bits. But also I do want to look in Primark, maybe H&M and Zara, just to see if they've got anything coming in for autumn, because I'm in the mood for autumn. I'm so freaking ready for autumn. It's literally the season I thrive in, apart from spring, and I'm just so excited to just wear jumpers. I just love jumpers, so hopefully I can see something. If not, doesn't matter, because I'm waiting for a really cute jumper on Minga London to come back in stock. So if that does, I'm definitely going to buy that, along with some few other bits that I will make a haul out of. And I also need to check my Animal Crossing today, do my daily errands on there, and do my daily workout. I have been doing more intense kind of like workouts recently. All through lockdown and isolation, I was doing just like gentle ones, I want to say, that was like 7 minutes long. But recently, as in since Monday, so this is going to be my third day, I've been doing a proper 18-minute intense workouts. So it's for like stomach, abs and legs, and I just want to feel more fitter and healthier. And I've even cut out chocolate from my diet because I used to have it every single night, and I just want to be more conscious of what I'm eating. So yes, that is today's plan. But before I jump into filming my makeup, because obviously I'm not wearing anything, I want to show you something because I need advice. I thought I troubleshooted this, but clearly I didn't, because I found more of my spider plant rotting this morning and I don't know what I've done. This is my little baby. Her name's Pearl, and this section here was where the rotting plant was. So we've got this bit which I think is still alive because there's new shoots growing, but at the same time I have no idea if in the end both these bits will be gone. So it's not root bound, I checked that. I flushed it out with distilled water because that's apparently could be poisoned it to cause it to rot. And obviously the tips are brown, which means I've used too much tap water. But also I've moved it to here from my shelf because I don't know if it wasn't like getting enough sunlight. So I did that, made sure it drained properly when I did water it, and I've just left it. And this happened last week, I want to say. I feel like it was last week, and I've just been worried about my baby. I don't know what is wrong with her. So these two bits here hopefully won't rot. I don't know if I need to repot her completely though, because I don't know if repotting her will get rid of the rot, because I don't think there's like an infestation of bugs, because I looked at the soil and I don't see anything crawling around. So I need help if you guys can help me, and if you're into plants as well. I know some of you have already sent me some helpful articles, but it kind of confused me because there could be so many freaking reasons why it's happening. So yes, but if worse comes to worse, I can always restart with another spider plant because it was quite cheap, I have to say. It was only £4. So yeah. Now I'm going to film up my video, but I will show you my outfit that I'm wearing today before I do it. Just in case any of you are interested, I've got my new favourite kind of jeans from Lucy and Yak. These are width 28, length 30, hence why these are rolled up quite a lot. And this top is from Minga London with the cherub angels on it. Kind of reminds me of those Fiorace angels. Necklace is Primark, and yeah, that is my outfit. So comfy. Filming setup is done. I've got a brand new snake plant, by the way, which is my new baby. And I thought I'd show you my makeup really quickly because I had a massive clear out of makeup. So as you can tell, quite a bit has gone. And this is apart from a blusher and highlighter in my drawer. This is what is left. I've got my palette and all my other palettes here as well. But yeah, I'm quite proud of this. And I'm definitely going to buy a couple more bits from Boots today to replace a couple of things that have been my staple but technically actually out of date. So I'm going to make a look for my YouTube video today using what I've got left. It just looks so satisfying in a smaller tin as well. Can we just appreciate that? Filming is now done and this is the finished makeup look. I absolutely love it. It's literally my go-to look. And like I said in my video, it gives me kind of like autumn vibes and I'm really excited for autumn to come, as you guys will probably guess by now. And this video is actually probably going to go up after the makeup video, I have decided. So I hope you guys enjoyed it when you watched it. And I'm actually obsessed with my filming background. It's just so cool. Hopefully it comes out okay in the edit because it did. This corner seemed a bit too dark, but I feel like it brightened up a little bit towards the end. But yes, absolutely love it. If you haven't watched the video, I did use the Rady Daydream eyeshadow palette, which is this one here. And it's just so pigmented and so affordable. It's like £10. And you get all these gorgeous shades in there. So, yes. I'm just so happy. I keep staring at myself on the screen. I feel so cool. I feel so freaking cool. I am back now from shopping and I thought I'd give you guys a sweet little haul before I get on with the rest of my afternoon because I do want to edit the video I filmed this morning and do my nails again and then do my workout. So I basically popped into Primark with the sole purpose of buying some press-on nails for my holiday because I'm off for a week, which is the week of the last Halloween launch, so keep your eyes out for that haul. That is the 7th of September, the week starting that. Does that make even sense? Does that make sense in English? Yeah, week starting the 7th of September. Yeah, so I want to wear some press-on nails that week because obviously I won't be at work, so I don't need to do any like physical activity as such. So I got these pretty kind of like pastel kind of pink and red nails. So I want them to look like I've got them professionally done, but obviously I haven't. And these were only £1.50. And these, touch wood guys, these will last me hopefully nearly the whole week because I did buy some Halloween ones last year and they lasted a week, which was the week I was off. So got those, but I also got a pocket mirror for £2 because the one I had that my mum gave me, the mirror actually separated from the glue and it just fell out. So I got these cute lemon print ones. Absolutely love it with the glitter, and it's just like a standard double mirror, which is really handy for reapplying lipstick, getting things out of your eyes, that kind of thing. So yes, very happy with this, and I have a current obsession with lemons, so that was a must-have. So those were the two things that I mainly went in there for, but then I left with a couple of extra things. So I got these scrunchies for my hair because I have to wear my hair up at work, and the more I've got my hair up, the more I break my hair bands, because I feel like my hair's quite thick, so it just stretches a lot. So I didn't mind spending £2 on this set of 3 scrunchies because if it breaks, it's only £2. And I got these because I wanted something quite different to what I usually gravitate towards, and these gave me Emma's rectangle aesthetic vibes, which I love her style. I actually wish I could pull off that style, so I got the style for my hair and I can't wait to wear them to work. And then the next thing I got, if you know me, I love my layered necklaces from Primark. I found some more for £3 and this is that. So you got like this really stunning kind of heart, kind of Aztec kind of style pendant, and then these two kind of pendant things, and it's one necklace but it'll look like 3 necklaces in one, which I love. So that is my little Primark haul. And excitingly, when I came home just now, I got my Lucy and Yak order. So not only did I get these trousers and this bag, I did get some cord dungarees, but they were my size, but they were too fitted to my shape. So I got a size up and I'm gonna open them with you guys. So I got them in a small. Ooh, okay. They seem to give you these really cool bags. These really cool like upcycled bags, which is so nice. You can like use these for like travel, just to put your outfits in there. And inside is my dungarees, which I love. Is there anything else in here? Just a little sheet. So I got them in a small, so they should be a bit bigger and tie up. So I'm gonna try them on and I'll see you guys in a second. I mainly bought these for work and this is what they look like. They're a length 30, so I've had to roll up the bottoms because I'm a hobbit, but this is a small and this is what it looks like. It's nice and oversized, fit my whole arm down here, which is what I like. I'm super happy about this and I can't wait to wear them to work. So yeah, so these are obviously Lucy and Yak, sustainable fashion at its best, I say. Excuse the drilling outside because someone's decided to do some work, but it is much later now. As you can tell, I've taken my makeup off, put a lovely face mask on, and I have just finished doing my workout, hence why we're here at the bottom, because I had a quick shower. And I am just finishing up scheduling this week's video, which you should have already seen before this. And my pet parrot is now screaming. I'm gonna close the door. I feel like a professional YouTuber doing this, but this is the video coming this week and I'm just doing the description and bits like that. So that's the title if you want to see it. And the thumbnail I'm actually really happy with. I just basically posed with my lipstick. Yep. And if you're wondering what I'm wearing, it is Stranger Things 90 from Primark, which is my new favourite thing because the graphics on this, absolutely stunning. I'm actually obsessed, not gonna lie. My parents are currently cooking dinner, so the plan right now is to finish my video, as I said, take my mask off, and then take my nail varnish off, and I'm gonna paint it this high vis nail paint from Barry M in the shade Coral Blaze. And because my nails are so long, it kind of gives that kind of fake nail effect because it's quite like clear, because you can see the nail like this, but it's a bit more like obvious, so it looks like I've put press on nails on. Basically, it's a weird effect that I like. But yeah, I will catch you guys soon because I'm rambling on because I don't know what to say in this vlog. So I've had dinner now, and as you can see, I am meal prepping for tomorrow's lunch because I am back at work, and excuse the washing machine because that is going, but I'll show you what I have made. So I've done brown spaghetti with long stem broccoli, peppers and chili flakes because I'm trying to be more healthier with my lunches, and this actually looks so good. And I'm also going to take some fruit, and obviously when I come home tomorrow I'm going to do my workout again because I feel like I'm on a roll with this healthy thing. So yeah, now I'm gonna sort my nails out, and I actually still need to play some Animal Crossing because I haven't even logged on today, and that is a first for me. I am shook.
I'm taking the Lush powder, which is kind of pink looking. I'm pretty much just putting soap in this. It just has a slightly oily taste. So I'm gonna go get on with the rest of my day. I'm gonna have still see the blemishes on my chin and stuff.
Hey guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this little day of my life, and do give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell below to get updates when I next upload, and I will see you guys very soon for another video, which will be the last Halloween haul because this is coming out next week. So I will see you then.